Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Ethereum on Binance. For that, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to just log in into your account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and by default, you will be on this overview section. So over here, you need to tap on Earn and then you will be landed on this Earn page. Over here you are going to see the option of earn, so you need to tap on earn and then you will be redirect on this page. Now over here you will have to use this search bar in the top, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Ethereum. Now once you have found Ethereum, you simply need to tap on it and then you are going to see whether you want to stake it for locked period in which you are going to get 3.67% APY. You can also stake it in the flexible, so you can choose any of the options as per your convenience. For this video, I'm going to keep it as flexible, so you will have to select the option. Then you will have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to stake. If you want to auto subscribe to the staking, then you can also turn the toggle button on right next to the auto subscribe. After that, you need to tap on the confirm button in the bottom in order to confirm your staking, and this is how you can easily stake your Ethereum on Binance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.